Hey guys, so welcome. Today let's talk about the GoPro Max. Now this is GoPro's 360-degree camera. It's an action camera and it's actually quite different from the previous camera that was there, the GoPro Fusion. So there are a couple of things that are really nice about this camera, but we're going to talk about the features that make the GoPro Max a really great action camera. First off, it's of course got 360-degree video capabilities, but it's able to shoot 360-degree video in 5.6K resolution. You can turn that down to 3K resolution and get 60 FPS recording and even up to 2x slow-mo. So that's pretty damn impressive. Additionally, the body of the 360-degree camera is now completely revised, as is the mounting mechanism. Now, the GoPro Max is actually compatible with almost every GoPro mount that is out there, which basically means if you own any other older GoPro, could be a 360 or non-360, you can use the Max and mount it on whatever hardware you have currently at your disposal. Third, the GoPro Max actually features 6 microphones that allow you to pick up true 3D audio. So when you do actually start compositing and creating your 360-degree videos, you know that the sound coming from the camera is also going to correspond to the video so that it's a more natural looking video. And that's very important. So the 6 microphones on board make that possible. Fourth, the GoPro Max also features GoPro's hyper smooth image stabilization, which basically means that you can handhold this camera and still get super smooth video, whether it's 360 or normal video, and it'll actually look absolutely beautiful because it'll look like as if it's been stabilized using a gimbal, but it's all been shot handheld. That's how good hyper smooth stabilization really is. The other really cool thing about the GoPro Max is that while yes, it is a 360-degree camera, it is also able to function as a regular action camera. So you could actually just use one lens on the front to shoot regular video, not 360 but regular video, or even take photos. You have access to all the shooting modes in both 360 and regular modes, which includes time-lapse, hyperlapse, or even something as just shooting normal or super slow motion. So that's really awesome about the GoPro Max. So these are some of the things that make the GoPro Max actually a really lucrative action camera for anybody who's looking to add to their arsenal of adventure. So if you are in the market looking for a new action camera, maybe you do want to consider the GoPro Max because it offers just that little extra when compared to a normal action cam. Thank you guys for watching this video and hopefully you've enjoyed it.